Hello, how are you doing? Hope doing fantastic. Today we are going to discuss part 2 of first unit, that is introduction to AI. The part 2, which is basics of AI. So today we are going to discuss the basics of AI. Let's see what are the topics included in this section. Before going ahead, let's discuss one of the very popular term that is related to AI is AI paradox. So let's discuss what is this AI paradox. Hard problems for people are easy for AI. At the same time, easy problems are hard for AI. This term is referred as AI paradox. Let's understand with an example. Hard problems for people are easy for AI. For example, comprehending large passages and generating text for a given problem. Imagine if you have been given large text, huge amount of text, and asked to comprehend and then generate text from it. But for AI, it is very easy. Within fraction of seconds, it can comprehend the large text and can generate the response. So comprehending the text and generating is super easy for AI, but it is little complicated for humans. In the other hand, easy problems are hard for AI. For humans, image recognition is easy, but for machine, it requires lots of training. A speech recognition, for humans, it is easy. For machine, it requires great algorithm and it must be trained with huge data set. So this term of hard problems for people are easy for AI and easy problems are hard for AI, this term is referred as AI paradox. In coming part of this chapter, we will see terminologies related to artificial intelligence. And one of them is the difference in AI, ML, and DL. We will discuss in detail the basic difference in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I wanted you to pay attention that we have seen this equation before. Data plus algorithm is equal to AI. For a machine to give you intelligent output, the algorithm must be trained with data, huge data, so that the algorithm can give you the intelligent output. Here in AI, this algorithm is nothing but AI modeling. It's about developing such program which can, if it is trained with data, it can give you the intelligent output. Now, this algorithm that is designed has two basic approaches. To design the algorithm, there are two basic approaches. I must mention beforehand that in class 9, 10, 11 and 12, nowhere we are going to make any algorithm, but we will, if you are designing an AI, if you are working on AI, simply based on our problem, we will choose an already developed algorithm and we will train that algorithm with the data and we will start getting intelligent output. So what are those algorithms based on? These algorithms are based on two approaches. One is rule-based approach and another is learning-based approach. Learning-based approach is a real form of AI. We will look further in detail in the next unit, that is in AI project cycle. Right now, we are trying to just to see the difference in ML and DL. So, machine learning and deep learning both are learning based approach of AI modeling. The basic difference in AI and ML is that deep learning is having the better algorithm than machine learning, and the deep learning is based on one of the algorithm called artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is inspired from the human brain. The neural network algorithm is developed in such a way that how our brain process the information. So the in short, the basic difference between ML and DL is that deep learning uses spatial algorithm called artificial neural network. But both of them are learning based approaches, where deep learning is the superior than machine learning. Now, coming back to this, and we are trying to further give answer and see the difference in AI, ML, and DL. So, what is AI? We have already defined it, isn't it, in the part 1, that the ability of any machine to mimic human, or ability of machine to demonstrate those human behaviors, like applying logic, like thinking, learning, making decision. And so we can further say this in different words, that AI is incorporating human intelligence to machine. It's about giving human intelligence to a machine. It is artificial intelligence, isn't it? Yeah. And machine learning is a subset of AI that uses a statistical learning algorithm to build a smart system. And the deep learning is also the learning based approach of AI, but this uses artificial neural network. That's the basic difference in both. We can see here through this diagram that artificial intelligence is an umbrella term where the deep learning and machine learning are the subset of it. So here it is given that AI is a superset, where the machine learning is subset of AI and the deep learning is subset of machine learning. From here, we can carry out various inferences, like all AI application may or may not be based on machine learning and deep learning. But all machine learning AI models they belongs to AI. All deep learning models, they are AI, but all AI models are not based on deep learning. Okay, so this is how we can explain the difference in AI, ML, and DL. Let's see some of the algorithms based on machine learning. And those are linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine algorithm, naive Bayes algorithm, and KNN algorithm. These are some of the machine learning algorithms. Further, let's explore the deep learning. We have seen that deep learning is subset of AI, and it is a technique that is inspired by the way human brain process information. Deep learning network architectures are classified into CNN, we call convolutional neural network, and RNN. Again, there are two types of RNN: recurrent neural networks and recursive neural networks. Three domains of AI. This is the main objective of CBSC, to introduce you the three main domains of AI, so that we'll be able to understand and appreciate those AI applications and to segregate them, that the particular AI application belongs to which of these domains. So the three main domains are data science, computer vision, and NLP, which is we are going to see in detail. Now let's see what is data science. Data science is a domain of AI related to data systems and processes in which the system collects numerous data, maintains data sets, and derives meaning, sense out of them. The information extracted through data science can be used to make a decision about it. In simple words, data science is a process of collection of numerous data, maintaining that data set, deriving meaning and sense out of it, and afterward taking decision and making decision about it. So these are the steps that is involved in data science. The person who is involved in data science and are expert in this are called data scientists. Even your class teacher works as a data scientist, but in a smaller scale. For example, even your class teacher, as I told, works as a data scientist. Suppose you have given your half yearly exam, and after your papers are evaluated, the marks of each subject is with your subject teachers. Your class teacher, the first job of your class teacher is to collect marks from respective subject teachers. So that's the first job. After your papers are evaluated, the job of a class teacher is to collect the marks that you have got from each subject. And once it is collected, your marks are arranged. Your marks are arranged and then it is analyzed. It is analyzed. The marks are analyzed. Once the marks are analyzed, some meaning out of it, or the meaning is taken out, meaning is derived from the data that is arranged and analyzed. From there the meaning is derived. What are those meanings? For example, the toppers, the top 10 students in the class, like from the marks, what are the top 10 students? This is the meaning that is taken out from the data. And the 90% and above, the students who are 90% and above. And then this is also the information are taken out that what are those students having 40%, below 40%. Below 40% you can call. So these are some of the meaning that is taken out from the analyzed data. Now once these meanings are taken out, actions are taken on it. Actions are taken on it. For example, those who got below 40%, give them extra classes. They need extra classes. This action is taken afterward, because those students who have scored below, those who have scored 40% and below, they need extra classes, extra hand holding. And now those who have the top 10 students, or those who have got 90% and extra, they are, they have got the content well, they are self-learner, self-motivated, self-guided. Just give them high order thinking question, hard questions, isn't it? So working with different segment of students, it is better after the data is analyzed. So this is what I think. Even your class teacher acts as a data scientist, and all the process that data scientists they are involved in is clearly can be seen from this example. Now let's see some of the examples of a data science. One of the example is in the healthcare. See, data science is very widely used in healthcare. Those AI machines which have been trained with huge set of data, it can identify and predict disease, and personalized healthcare recommendations. The AI applications are made. In transportation, it is also used in transportation. For example, optimizing shopping. Sorry. For example, optimizing shipping routes in real time. It can be used in transportation. In sports, in government, e-commerce, gaming, fintech, and number of such segments are there where data science applications are being used. And in future, it will be implemented in better way. Now, let's see what is computer vision. Computer vision is one of the fields of artificial intelligence. It is one of the domain of artificial intelligence that trains and enables computers to understand the visual world. It is about making computer possible to see the world through camera and can recognize pattern and identify objects around the way we humans do through our eyes, making computers possible to see the world through camera, can recognize pattern and identify objects. This work and study belongs to computer vision. Computers can use digital images and deep learning models to accurately identify and classify objects and react to them. This is computer vision. If I take an example, Google Lens. So, with the help of Google Lens, we can search the Google through image. Facial recognition. Now, the machines are very advanced. The way we see the world and we recognizes the faces, even machine can do it. Even machine can recognize the faces through camera. It is computer vision. Object identification, it can identify different objects around it. Now face filter, like the Snapchat face filter. So it is AI applying filters on the face, right? These are some of the examples of computer vision. The third main domain of AI is NLP. We call natural language processing. So let's see in detail what is NLP. NLP is subfield of AI or a domain of AI that focuses on ability of a computer to understand human languages, either spoken or written, and to give an output by processing it. Is called natural language processing. In short, or in other words, NLP is in other words, NLP is about making computers possible to talk to humans using natural language. A machine which is making a machine which can interact with humans, the machines can understand the languages of humans, either spoken or written, and can generate a response after. In other words, making computers possible or making machines possible to interact with humans in natural language, either spoken or written. And if I take an example, Alexa, we say the Alexa to turn on the light and Alexa turns it on. If I take an example of Sophia is AI humanoid robot. So if you ask Sophia can understand the human language and can generate the response upon. This is an example of NLP. So these two AI applications are very well can understand the human language and generate the response afterward. Is an example of NLP. Even ChatGPT is an example of NLP. Let's see some of the applications of NLP. Text to speech, speech to text, text generation, sentiment analysis, language translation. These are some of the examples of NLP. We will further discuss about this all in the unit natural language processing unit. Here, it is very important to understand what is NLP and identify some of the application that belongs to this domain.